watching TV channel. Today, we bring you an urgent and developing news. A powerful earthquake has struck the country, shaking communities and prompting swift emergency response. Let's begin with the latest updates.
Thank you, Iverson. Breaking news at approximately 4:17 p.m. local time, a magnitude 0.68 earthquake struck off the coast of eastern Samar, sending tremors across Visayas and parts of Mindanao. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, PVOLS, confirmed the earthquake was tectonic in origin, with a depth of 54 kilometers.
The tremors were felt as far as Cebu City, Tacloban, and Davao, causing panic residents and temporary power outage in several barangays.
Thank you, Iverson. I'm here in downtown Tacloban, where residents rushed out of building as the ground was shocked. For nearly 30 seconds, one local vendor told us, "I thought it was just a truck passing by, but then the walls started rattling."
I thought it was just a truck passing by, but then the walls started rattling.
Thank you for that update. In Cebu City, students were evacuated from schools and more birds were seen gathering in open spaces. Authorities have advised everyone to remain outdoors until buildings are inspected.
Mag-relax lang kayo huwag kayong magpanik. Ganyan dapat yung ginagawa kapag may actual na lindol.
The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, NDRRMC, has activated its emergency protocols. Search and rescue teams are on standby, and PVOLS has issued an advisory for possible aftershocks.
When the earth shakes, the ground moves, and things start to fall, you'll ask yourself, how prepared or unprepared are you? Have you removed objects from over the bed and over your head? Anchored your possessions securely to the wall. It won't be a pain, and you're not doing it in vain. Are your emergency kits packed? What about your family, your friends? Do they know what to do, how to get in touch, and where to meet? Do you know how to drop, cover, and hold on, covering your head and neck? What if you're outside? Or in a car? After the shaking stops, look around. Figure out what to do. Stay away from damaged areas. Turn on a radio. Reach out for help. And if you're trapped, do not move about. Stay calm. Only shout as a last resort. Once everything and everyone is safe, get prepared. An aftershock could be on its way. So before the earth shakes, the ground moves, and things start to fall, get prepared. Make a plan. Practice what you know, because an earthquake can happen anytime, anywhere. You never know.
Good afternoon, I'm Kimberly Bino, live from Eastern Samar here in Banukan. Minor structural damage has been reported in older buildings. Local officials have been conducting rapid assessment. No casualties has
Thank you, this earthquake occurred along the Philippine Trench, a known seismic zone, but it's not strong enough to trigger a tsunami. We advise coastal communities to stay alert. Aftershocks may continue after the next 24 to 48 hours.
Thank you, Dr. Santos. That's a crucial reminder for everyone watching. Let's take a moment to review earthquakes with safety protocols. Drop, cover, and hold during shaking. Stay away from windows and heavy furniture. After the quake, check for gas leaks and structural damage. Keep emergency kits with a water, food, and first aid supplies.
Good day everyone, I'm Jim Latino, live from Cebu. Despite the scare, communities are showing resilience, volunteers are helping elder residents, and barangay officials are coordinating evacuation centers. Social media has become a lifeline for updates and support.
That's the spirit of Bayanihan in actions. We salute all frontrunners and volunteers. This week comes nearly a year after the magnitude 7.0 tremor in Abra, which caused landslide and damage infrastructure. The Philippines, located on the Pacific rear of fire, experiencing frequent sickness and activities. Experts continue to stress the importance of preparedness. As we wrap up this special coverage, we remind everyone to stay calm, stay informed, and stay safe. We'll continue to monitor the situation and bring you updates as they come in. This has been Iverson Quinones, report live for GMTV. Thank you for joining us.
In this video, you will learn how to protect yourself and how to behave properly during an earthquake. An earthquake is one or multiple series of vibrations on the ground that can cause serious damage to persons and property. During an earthquake, do not run away. Falling objects represent a danger. If you're inside, take shelter under a sturdy piece of furniture or in the corner of a wall. Stay away from windows and mirrors. Do not face them. Cover your head and neck. If you're outside, stay away from buildings and everything that could collapse. If you're driving, pull up your car at a safe distance from everything that could fall down. Stay inside your car until the earthquake is over. After the earthquake, be careful, there might be aftershocks. Listen to the radio for safety instructions. Close the water and gas inlet taps. Open windows and doors in the event of a gas leak. Leave the building. Don't use an elevator. Make your way to an open space. Eventually, head for a meeting point. Take your personal documents, warm clothes, and essential medication with you. Walk in the middle of the road and pay attention to falling objects. Don't smoke, and don't light candles because of an explosion risk. Don't touch falling power lines. Don't make phone calls in order not to congest the telephone network. School children are taken care of at school. It is dangerous and not necessary to pick them up. Block access to damaged buildings. Stay away from coastal areas as there may be a risk of a tsunami. Make sure that your neighbours, especially if they're old or handicapped, do not need help. Prepare your emergency disaster kit and first aid kit.